Hello. Okay, so I hope you can hear me. So let's discuss how our HFT algo scanner performed today. So let's come to the morning. You can also see what is happening right now. Okay, let's first come to Nifty. Let's come to the morning. So we should change the ATM to 24,000. That was the ATM in the morning. Okay, so 24,000. Not much change, but yeah. So again, so I'm really sorry for one of the posts that I made in the morning. So here, this post. So if you go and check out the, if you just zoom in here, so you'll see that the ATM was 23,800. So I forgot to change the ATM while posting it. So anyways, let me show you what happened. If we put the ATM like 24,000 in the morning, okay. So and also meanwhile, like if you have any queries or questions, you can ask and I'll be happy to answer. So yeah. So the very first thing is that let's zoom in a little bit. Yeah. So also let's go with our money flow. So as you all know, we just follow these three indicators: AI money flow scores, the Nifty derivatives indicator score, and our HFT. And for the signal, we take the help of the smart trend. So now talking about in the morning, slight put writing happened at the money. So there like 19 CR of put call writing happened here, and almost like 82 lakhs of call writing happened here. So there was a little bit of fall, and yeah, but on the smart trend we got the signal a little later, and even in money flow also it was still in the till negative 15, it's in the neutral zone. So it just went to negative 15. It's in the neutral zone. It just went to negative 16. So anyways, coming here, some put writers came in like 25 CR of put writing happened. And we don't go with the call buying, as I already told you. So the dark green is the call buying. So we just only see it for like what happened was like we just take it as a reference whether the big guys are closing their positions, like whatever call shots they might have done the last day. So either they are closing or they are hedging their call writing positions, or they are closing their call writing positions. So we keep that for such a reference. Otherwise we just follow the call writing and the put writing, which is the light green call writing, and the light red, which is the call writing, and light green, which is the put writing. So again here 22 CR put writing happened, and we were in the buying zone. And let's look at, see, our AI money flow also jumped from negative 13 to 34 at 938. So 938, let's see where Nifty was. So this is 934. So 938, Nifty was at 23,9, so almost 24,000, and then it went to 24,660. Okay, and a 60 points up move, but yeah. So again, some call writers again started coming in, but as you can see, like here today, mostly like here they did some call writing, and again here as well, and again here as well. So Nifty was getting some resistance at this level, but here some put writers came in. Okay, so a good amount of put writers came in, 40 CR of put writing here. If you can see 38 CR of put writing here, you can see. And also like a big green means either the call writers are closing. Big deep green means either the call writers are closing or they're hedging their position. So that's the thing, and it happened all right at the bottom here, and then we got this buying signal. And also let's look at our money flow at that point. AI money flow 1028. So if you see, it was like 1020 and 1028. So 1028, it slightly came down, but again let's see, it went up. Okay, so yes, AI money flow was throughout in the like above 15. It's in the strength zone. Okay, and it was throughout in the strength zone, and again the score increased, and we got the HFT signal right at the bottom. Okay, so Yes, meanwhile, if you have any queries or questions, please feel to ask. And yeah, so that then this was the one. And like here you will see that some call writing is happening, but we don't go with them because we are in the buying mode according to the smart trend. And though if you would have gone here, your stop loss would have got hit here, so almost cost to cost. And let's see some of the, so here right at the bottom for this up move. So after going here 24,100, so let's change the ATM to 24,100. Yeah. So now for this buying move, we did not get some major signal, but let's look at like 1154. So there also like money flow was almost in the neutral zone. So here we did not get any signal, like any major signal either from the HFT or from the AI money flow. Okay. And yeah, it as usual went up, but now you can see that the amount it went up here, we did not get any major signal here. Like some big put writers were like here, some big put writers were active right at the bottom here, and we and the buying signal came and we were going up. But the main here is like while it halted here and this we had our level, the resistance level, so it went up, but there wasn't any major signal from the AI money flow or the HFT. Okay, and then the whole thing again reversed, as you can see. And before reversing also, if you look at here, that is some call right, mostly like while it was going up, so call writers were active at the top. Now here you see this is 31 CR of call writing. This is this is 24 CR of call writing. This is 16 CR. This is 13 CR. And again, one big one was here, 32 CR. Okay, now you would say that in the next moment, like there is some put writing also. Yes, but look at who is putting, like look at in this region who is putting the big money. Okay, so it's basically you can very clearly see that the the bears were present here. Okay, the call writers, the big call writers were present here. And then we should wait for the selling signal. Okay, and yeah, so after that I mean, see, I'm not saying that you have to match the HFT AI money flow altogether. So we have to only check whether like in one of them, like AI money flow or HFT, we are getting a major signal or not. Okay, so before going long or short, so that's as simple as that. Like we got a major signal here, buying signal came in, so we are going for a buy. Now here there were writing signals. If we would have sold, our stop loss gets hit here. Okay, almost cost to cost. And we were not, according to the rules, we are not able to write this move. And but yes, we see that after going up, so call writers are present there, and so we go with the selling signal. Okay, and yeah, so and also like here also like even in the selling signal, like again more call writing happened, and that's more confirmation that it will further go down. So yes, it went down. And then again, now see the beauty of this indicator, that is right at the bottom, right at the bottom again, like you see big deep green. So it's giving you a signal that is the big guys are like either they are closing their call short positions and fresh put writing is happening. Now here, what is the amount? 23 CR and 17 CR of put writing happening. Okay, and then like we got the buying signal here and it went up. Okay, so again, as I say, like if you're a pro trader, then you can just simply follow the HFT. But if we stick to the rules, then these are the rules. Okay, and right at the bottom it happened, as you can see. So the big guys, now you know that like they know a lot, they can do a lot of things, like they can push even Nifty from right at the bottom and right at the top as well. So now talking about here, put writing happened and so on, like we got this move. But yeah, again, now at the end here, what is happening? So basically, if you see here, that is some put writers are also there, call writers are also there. So even here as well, some call writing happened, and then it moved down. And yeah, so Here the call writing happened, so nothing much happened, but it went up. But again, call writing happened. They took it down, even like where they shorted here, so they took it further down. So, anyways, like I always say that try to avoid the last let's say 1 hour or at least from 3 p.m. on a non-expiry day. And yeah, so that's how like the whole thing performed. That is, the major ones are like this one, this reversal, the put writers, okay. And in the morning, yeah, that was the slight reversal we got, and again, coming down, the put riders were present right at the bottom here, here, okay, and even here and here as well, like while we were on the buying zone. And our AI money flow also went into the positive zone, and here, so this move, like let's say that, let's be practical, and let's say that let's forget about the first move. So this move could have been captured by the rules. And then again, if you are like uh, yes, so this one, like the put writers. So again, this move could have been captured according to the rules. And then this was the SL hit according to the rules. And then again, no trading zone here. And it went up. And then after that, right at the top, like call writers were there. And we wait for the sell signal on the smart trend. And this move could have been captured. This reversal could have been captured. So you see, like it's capturing like one, two, and like here the third one. So and here a small one. So four reversals it's catching, and it's all going live as you can see. And currently, like here, someone did call writing, someone did put writing here. So you can even see it live as well. Okay, and so let's go to Bank Nifty and let's discuss. And meanwhile, if you have any questions, so feel free to ask. Okay, so uh, let's go to Bank Nifty. So here Bank Nifty also money flow. If you see in the morning, it jumped to the positive zone, and let's see how the HFT performed there. Okay, so for Bank Nifty, if you see here, that is we were in the buying zone, and like in the morning, what do you see? Like call writing, put writing, both are happening. But again, here also call writing, here also put writing. So let's change the ATM slightly, because I have put it as 300. So in the morning, let's put it as 55,000. Okay, so here this is 916, and some call writers were there, so I think they were trying to give some resistance. But here coming here, that is again some call writers were there, and so it wasn't moving up. And again here also some, wait, here also some call writing happened in Bank Nifty. But yeah, so here they tried to push it, but did not happen like much. And then like let's so this is, yeah, so this is 55 100. And so anyways, let's take it to 55 100. Yeah, and if you look at 55 300, so someone also did in the money call, sorry, put writing. So let's yeah, so now if you see here, that is like here's okay, so let's look at the current one. So here if you see, that is like a big chunk of call writing happened here. And then this selling signal came in. So it was also in Nifty at that point, and this is where you could have captured. And also let's discuss, like here also like at this region, if you see, that is call writing also happened, but more put writing happened. Okay. And like 55, 100, 55, 200, 300. So their put writers were present. And like here, if you see, the put riders were present even here as well. We were in the buying zone, and so this move again could have been captured. And again, like here, some call riders were present and put riders were also present in the morning. And Bank Nifty wasn't going anywhere. But then after that, here was the clear signal, that is only put riders came in there. So I mean, we should ignore the small call riders. Okay. So they are also big institution, but again, we should go with who is putting more money. And there, like at this zone, like there were some big put writers. And now let's discuss. So right at the top here, then call writers again started coming in here. So if you notice this region, so call writers are present. Okay, so and let's yeah, so in this region, call writers were present. This move could have been captured. And right after here, again, some put writers and call writers are both present, and it's hovering over the same zone. So that's how it performed in Bank Nifty as well. So I think I have discussed both Nifty and Bank Nifty, how it performed. If you want to see any other, do let me know. And let's look at our money flow, how it's performing. So yeah, slightly positive. Even if you would have looked at like today's jump in the morning, that is in Nifty, let's here. So if you want to see like why the jump came in, so you have to look at the last day. So that was where it ended, 23,850. Okay, so you will notice that right at the end, some here, though it looks now small with respect to these, now this was 98 this was 98 lakhs of put writing. Yeah, and so that's the thing. Like some put writers were active at the very end. And that's why we got a little bit of gap up. But again, let's go to the 24 100. Okay, so market is 2 more minutes, 1 more minute. So and if you have any queries, you can ask. Okay. Okay, fine. So I'll end it here. Okay, so thanks for watching.